Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and this might seem like a very curious title for a video. When does future value become present value? Or round the other way, if you like, and how does that happen? Um, I was prompted to make this video because over the years when I've been teaching financial maths, this has caused a great deal of strife. Um, and it usually revolves around a similar type of question, which I'm not going to write out, but I'm going to try and draw. So let's say that somebody borrows $100,000. We'll say at 5% per annum compounding. It doesn't really matter. And they agree to pay it off over a number of years. So this is year one here, and this is the number of years here. However, circumstances change, and the $100,000 that they borrowed was for the purchase of an asset. Now, if we just stick to this example, the present value of the loan is here, and the future value is here. The future value, hopefully when this thing is paid off, will equal 0. But as I said, circumstances change, and what happens is the following. We have the present value of the loan here at year 0, and again, it's 5%. And one of two things changes. Either the interest rate changes, or the person decides to alter the payments. In fact, there could be other things, but those are the common ones. And let's say that instead of the agreed term of the loan, which was 25 years, the following happens. So I'll draw it over here. So $100,000, 5%, and this is the present value here. This would be the future value out here at 0. That's the intention. But what happens after 10 years is that either the interest rate changes, they decide to alter the payments, something happens. And so this loan is not going to run for the full 25 years. Now, to work out what the loan is worth at this point, we still use present value here and future value here. But there's a new loan after that because the person concerned hasn't paid off all of the $100,000. And as I said, the interest rate has changed, some other terms have changed, and effectively what we're looking at is a new loan, even if it is structured in the same format and everything else is the same. At that point, we need to know what this dollar amount is, because this dollar amount will be the starting point of this new loan, and this is where present value is derived from future value. So just let me run through this again. There's a $100,000 loan at 5%. The agreed term was 25 years, but after 10 years, there is some change made to the loan, whether it's the interest rate or the payments or anything else. And so the question is usually asked then, what will the new payments be? How long will the loan run for, or whatever? And at that point, you need to know what this value is. And it is the former future value of the loan after 10 years. And so when you're working this out, say on your calculator, you need to move this number to the present value point if you're using a financial calculator, and your future value again is out here. So the key point is that future value in the middle of this loan, because there was some sort of break in the loan, the future value here becomes the present value here. And that is what a lot of people have a great deal of trouble getting their head around. Because the whole thing may well have been structured as one single loan. But this break here mathematically means that there are two. And so you have to start again from whatever value you'd achieved here. And that is how future value becomes present value, and it's also when it happens. So thanks very much for watching. I hope that was useful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.